What is your name, ate? Ano pangalan mo, ate?
Arisa Malaloto T.
Ikaw po?
Marcos Jarin Ortiz Kitalik.
Kompleto ha, pati kompleto ha. Halika dito ate, aling maliit, sali ka aling maliit. Dito ka aling maliit. Kulang pa kami, 5 lang. Kulang pa, si kuya. Come on kuya. Halika dito kuya. Konti lang naman tayo eh. Ayun ba, hello! Sorry, friends, kami na. Come on, join us here. Natakot? Dapat, formal na lang pala ako. Alright, next time guys, move backward tayo, move backward. Atras tayo ng konti. Okay, so again, what is your name, kuya?
Zion Jetic and Tintero.
Kompleto. How about ate?
Eliza Siren GP mo.
Kompleto din. And aling maliit, what's your name?
Ayan
Ay, yung dalawa kilala ko na sila. Alright, say, kuya, how old are you? How old are you? Ilan taon ka na?
5.
5 years old. Si ate? 5'10"? 5 din. 5 years old. Si ate? How old are you, ate? 4 years old.
6.
6 and like? 5 years old. Nag-aaral na ba kayo lahat? Anong grade na ni kuya? Anong grade ka na kuya? Grade level? Grade 1. Si ate? Grade 1. Si ate, anong grade na? 7? Grade 7 na siya. Grade 7 ha? Patalinong bata yan. Ikaw naman, kuya, anong grade ka na?
1.
Grade 1! So, last ate, anong grade? Kinder! Ayan kids, makinig mabuti ha. Si kuya, ako pala si Kuya Mickey Dakulao. So this time, meron akong first game para sa inyo. Habang hinihintay pa natin ibang guest o ibang bisita ng ating birthday celebrator na si Baby Aizen. So meron ako mga kategory o we have a categories. Ate, sabi ka lang, huwag kang mahiya ate. Ay, bakit? We have a category. So meron ako mga category like prutas, vegetable, animals, shapes, and colors. Okay? Kids, makinig mabuti. Stand up, ate. Sige. Huwag ka mahiya, ate. Sige, mahiyain daw siya. Sige. Come here, ate. Ayan, tinakot mo kasi. Ayan, mahiyain talaga siya. Okay, kids, our first category ay animals. Marunong ba kayo o alam niyo ba yung mga animals? Apo, sige. For example ha, ito, give me the name of animals with 4 legs. Okay? Or magbigay kayo ng pangalan ng hayop na mayroong 4 na paa. Okay, let's go! Let's start yung kuya.
I am favorite cow.
Cow, ako. Ako daw. Ba't nadamay ako? Ay, cow! Ibig sabihin nun, baka. Yung baka. Akala ko ako. Okay, next. Another animals with 4 legs. Go! Giraffe. Very good. Another name of animals with 4 legs. Ambing. Very good. Okay, ano pa ang pangalan ng hayop na mayroong 4 na paa?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. Continue. Another name of animals with 4 legs.
Tiger.
Tiger. Lion. Very good. Chicken. How many chicken? 2 chicken. Ang bira, dalawang manok pala yun, kaya 4 na paa. Okay, another name of animals with 4 legs, go! 1, 2.
Cow.
Cow! Cow is already given.
Carabao.
Carabao! Very good!
Lion.
Lion! Nasabi na ba yung lion? Lion na. Basta sabi na po yung lion.
Zebra.
Zebra! Very good! Spider? Kasama ba yun? Sa kanan, 4. Yung 4 legs din. Sa kaliwa, 4 legs din. Okay. Pwede ba yun? Pwede yun. Sige, pwede daw. Sabi ni Kuya eh. Sige. Okay, another animals with 4 legs. Go!
Tiger.
Tiger! Kakaibang tiger yun. Sige, practice lang naman yun. Okay, and last.
Giraffe.
Giraffe is already given. Another animals. With 4 legs.
Crocodile.
Very good. Okay ha? So sample lang naman yan, kids. Okay, kids. So what is the magic word? Sigaw natin. Happy birthday, Asian! Louder, come on! Say, happy birthday, Asian! Make it louder! Sabay-sabay!
Happy birthday, Basin.
Basin? Sino Basin? Bali po yata ng putang ng party. Sige, okay. Ito, next category, kids. Fish. Kumakain ba kayo ng isda?
Apo.
Very good. Sige, give me the name of fish. Yung lumalangoy sa tubig, dagat or tubig tabang. Go.
Dagat.
O nga. Fish. Fish. What kind of fish?
Fish.
Fish?
Fish billion.
Fish fillet? Pwede fish fillet? Pwede yun? Basta lumalangoy naman siya. Basta may fish ha. Sige, another name of fish. Go.
Fish tank.
Ano yun? Fish tank. Meron palang ganun. Another name of fish.
Ball.
Mas matindi to. Fish ball. Okay, OMG. Fish ball. Ang maingay. Another name of fish. Go!
Isda.
Isda. Anong klaseng isda?
Bishda.
Isda. Ay, naku. Fish. Da. Pwede po yun, di ba? Basta fish. Okay, another name of fish. Go!
Anong fish?
Milkfish. Very good. Okay, next. Another name of fish. Catfish. Very good. Another name of fish. One. Name of fish. Go. One.
Fish.
Anong klaseng fish?
Isda.
Isda. Isda na nga yun. OMG ko. Okay, last. Another name of fish. Go.
Shark.
Shark. Okay, very good. Another name of fish.
Baby shark.
Baby shark. Baby shark. Again, another name of fish.
Dolphin.
Dolphin. Very good. Another name of fish.
Shark.
Baby shark. Okay, last. Another name of fish. Go.
Daddy shark.
Ba't kompleto yung mga isda ng shark na yun? Saan ba nakukuha yan? Alright, so next category guys. Next category. Wala mauubusan na isda sa inyo eh. Okay, next category. Fruits or prutas. Kumakain ba kayo ng prutas? Sige, let's start si Kuya. Give me the name of fruits. Go.
Apple.
Very good. Apple.
Orange.
Orange. Orange.
Lemon.
Manga. Manga. Another name of fruits. Go.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Melon.
Melon. Very good.
Lily.
What? One, two, three, four,
Pineapple.
five. Sorry, you're out ate. Sorry. Later, bibigyan kita ng consolation prize. Okay, thank you. Bibigyan mo ng prize, siyempre. Ito yung prize niya. Pabigyan kayo, piniyak mo naman siya. Ayan, ito yung prize niya. Ayan, yan. Okay, diba? Ito, para sa kanya to. Yes! Congratulations! Diba? Meron kang prize. Ano sasabihin mo dyan? At saka po, thank you and salamat. Congratulations. Huwag kayo iyak ha. Pangit-pangit ko eh. Okay, another name of fish. Go! What? Ay, prutas. Okay, fruits. Another name of fruits. Go.
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Very good.
Blackberry.
Blackberry. Another name of fruits.
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Red berry.
Orange berry.
Orange berry.
Mango.
Mango is already given.
Orange.
Orange is already given.
White berry.
White berry. Very good. Banana. Very good.
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit.
Cherry.
Cherry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sayang ate, consolation prize para sa iyo ha. What will you say? Mali na rin anak Kim. Alright, sige, last. Oy, last na lang ha. Again, what is your name?
Zion Drake.
Zion, and about kuya?
Marcus Jerry.
Marcus Jerry. Who's with you here? Sino po yun? Daddy? Daddy?
Yeah.
Ay, Daddy! Say hello, Daddy! Ay, Mami! Where? Ang ano naman yan? Ang lamang mo sa pagsalita. Kulang lang ko lang. Alright, so last category, kids. Vegetable. Okay, do you know vegetable? Very good. Okay, last category. Give me the name of vegetable. Here we go. Let's start to Kuya.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin! Very good! Or kalabasa!
Squash.
Oh, di ba? Squash ang kalabasa. Pumpkin, isa lang po yun, di ba? Okay. Another name of gulay.
Vegetable.
What kind of vegetable?
Broccoli.
Broccoli. Very good. Yes, your favorite broccoli? Okay. Fruit or vegetable?
Fruits.
Broccoli is a kind of vegetable. Okay? Not fruit. Okay. Kuya, another name of vegetable. Go. Vegetable.
Eggplant.
Eggplant. Very good.
Tiger plant.
Tiger plant? Meron ba ganun? Tiger plant. Very good.
Dragon plant.
Dragon plant. Saan kayo nakakain ng ganun? Meron kayo nakukuha ng ganun? Dragon plant. Okay, another name of gulay.
Lion plant.
Oo, lion plant. Very good. Another name of gulay.
Broccoli.
Broccoli is already given.
Sitaw.
Sitaw.
Kalabaw.
Ano kalabaw? Okay. So, isa, palakpakan naman natin yung dalawa. Dahil mahirap kayong talunin. No? So, dalawa kayong winner natin. So, again, what is your name, Kuya?
Marcus.
Marcus and Zion. So, okay, Zion. Bago ka bigay yung prize, ha? Ano gusto mo message para kay Azen? Zion, what will you say, Zion? Say happy birthday, Azen.
Happy birthday, Aizen.
And more birthday.
Birthday. Sana po. Ba't kalaki mo? Lalaki ka.
Ayun daw, paglaki ka, lalaki siya ng lalaki. Ikaw naman, Kuya, sasabihin mo kay Azen.
Happy birthday, Aizen.
And
Salamat po. Salamat po
sa
sa ayuda.
yan! O, pili kayo tigisa, ha? Ayan, ayuda daw. Maraming salamat daw po sa ayuda. Thank you. Okay, photo up tayo, ha? Picture na yan, sir. Ayan, so your praise, guys. So look at the camera and one. Direct! Picture. Announce, announce, mami! Para maiba naman sa mga guests naman tayo. Okay lang po ba patulong ako sa mga adult? Yes po, makaname po na.